Hello everyone, this is Rajeev, and from the entire team of TreeAcademy, I wish you a very happy and a prosperous new year. There are various doubts that are arising in the heads of people regarding the TreeAcademy. The very first doubt, and that is, what TreeAcademy is. Is it an academy? Is it a school? Or is it a tutorial center? Then, the answer to your first doubt is, TreeAcademy is a tutorial center, but with a very beautiful difference. The very first beautiful difference is TreeAcademy, though a tutorial center, but also it enhances the overall personality of a particular student. Now the question arises, how? Because TreeAcademy, along with carrying out the academics, the second very doubt that pops up in the head of the people is how TreeAcademy is different from the other tutorial center. Now the answer to your question is, here at TreeAcademy, we always lay stress on the quality of the education that is being imparted to the students. Secondly, how people will believe that this academy does the thing which it promises to do. Then the answer to this particular very question is, here at TreeAcademy, we hold a free demonstration class at least for a week, where the students come for free of cost and they enjoy the beauty of learning. Now, if they are satisfied with the learning imparted in this TreeAcademy, it's only then they can come and freely join with this very academy. Here in TreeAcademy, we not only provide the students with the best of quality education, but also help the students to learn one very sound fact. And the very sound fact is that skills are much more important than marks. So let's go for the skills rather than going for endless pursuit of marks. As mentioned, TreeAcademy takes care of the entire personality development of a child. Now a simple question arises, that how? Here at TreeAcademy, along with imparting the best of quality education, we also impart the best of physical fitness courses. And this physical fitness courses comes up as yoga and kung fu, and that too offered by keen professionals. Last but not the least, here at TreeAcademy, we also lay stress on the symposium skills that ranges from the map reading skills, the debates, quizzes, etc. etc. The list never ends. One of the greatest irony of today's education system is, in today's education system, there are many tutorial centers which are going for a hunt for the toppers. And at the end of the academic session, these toppers obviously produce some good results, and their photos are sticked onto their prospectus, and thereby playing a gimmick of impressing the parents along with the students with their well-to-do prospectus along with the photocopies of the toppers. Now, here I would like to raise one question. Guys, if you are trying to provide the quality education, then be fair enough with the dealings. That means the quality education must be imparted to each and every student equally, not only the toppers. If you are seeking for quality, seek quality in each and every child, because every child is a very special child. So, hurry up and join the best of the tutorial centers. And at the last, from the entire team of TreeAcademy, I would like to wish each and every child a very happy learning year. Keep learning and rocking.